Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel City Learner. Today we are going to discuss about triangle. So what is triangle? Triangle is a two-dimensional closed structure which is covered by three sides. Therefore triangle is two-dimensional geometric structure which is covered by three sides. And it is a closed structure. So now we are going to discuss about types of triangle. Triangles are divided into 6. 3 is according to sides and 3 is according to angle. According to sides, first one is the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides will be equal, hence all the angle will be equal, hence it is 60 degree. Second one is the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle has two equal sides, hence adjacent angle, that means two angle will be equal. And last one is the Scalene triangle. In Scalene triangle has no equal side, hence no equal angle. So now we discuss about according to angle. Here first one is the acute triangle. In acute triangle, all the angles of the triangle will be less than 90 degree. For example, equilateral triangle, its all the angle will be 60 degree. Second one is the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle has one right angle. And third one is the obtuse angle triangle. An obtuse angle triangle has one obtuse angle, that means one angle whose measured is more than 90 degree. So if we draw acute angle triangle, it will be like this, all the angles will be less than 90 degree. And right angle triangle, here one 90 degree angle will be there, and obtuse angle triangle, one angle which is more than 90 degree. So these are about triangle. Thank you.